welcome back today. Hope you guys are having a lovely day. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button just below. And if you're regular, come back. Hello, welcome back today. So today, after doing a kind of number of videos about products that I really appreciate from Revolution, I'm going to do a full face of Revolution products. And they are the products that I kind of showed you in the videos before. So let's just jump into this and kind of show you a makeup look with all Revolution products. So first of all, I'm going in with their eyebrow product. My eyebrows are so bad today, they just look so messed up. So let's begin. So I'm going in with the kind of angled brush end, and I'm just going to like dip so slightly into the brow product, and I'm going to start in the middle. I said this in my other video, so I try not to talk too much. If you want to see it, I will link all them videos in the description box. So now moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going back into I Heart Makeup. This is the Chocolate and Rose Gold eyeshadow palette. So now I'm going to move on to the liquid eyeliner. So again, this was a product that I spoke about. Why was I twisting it? And it's a product that I really do like. I will link all of them below. I think I've already said that, but I will. And carry on doing my makeup. So this wing was just not playing ball, but I finally did it. Now moving on to mascara. Again, Revolution. So I'm really happy with my eye makeup. I am so happy that the mascara has made my eyelashes so long. Excited! So now moving on to face. I don't have any blusher from Revolution. I explained that in another video. However, I do have bronzer and highlighter, so I will be using these two. I will be using Ice Kiss, and they're just their plain bronzer. Link in the comments, guys, what's your favourite product from Revolution? I think mine's their eyeshadow. I just love eyeshadow and what you can do with it. I think it's just amazing, like the different looks you can make with eyeshadow, and I think that's one of my favourite things. So definitely eyeshadow is mine, but comment below what's your favourite. I would love to know. Is there any products that I haven't done a video of from Revolution that you like, you really need to try that out, that's really good? Comment below. I really want to know if there's any Revolution products that I should really try that I haven't tried yet. Now going into highlighter. One of my favourite things, I think, highlighter is anything glittery is my fave. I just love what you can do with glitter, and literally anywhere you can put glitter, so I like it. Okay, it's a bit weird that I don't have blusher on, but never mind. If you guys know a good blusher from Revolution, please link it below. I really want to know, because I haven't tried any of their blushes out, so I didn't want to use a blusher that I didn't think actually worked well and I really like using. So that's why I haven't done blusher. So I'm going to only put a little bit of lip stuff on just because my lips are just, I don't know, they feel really funny today and I'm not happy with them. So just going to put a tiny bit on. I have put lip balm on as well because my lips are so dry. I think it's the weather where it's so cold. Like even my hands are like horrible. What I find is if you ever want your lips like to look a bit like more colour in them, but you don't want to put like a full bit of lipstick on, put lip balm on and then just put a couple dabs of the lipstick you want on and just run it through with your finger on your lips. It makes a massive difference. And there you go guys, this is my finished look with using just Revolution's product apart from my lip balm. But I don't think Revolution do a lip balm, unless I haven't seen it. But I'm really happy with it. Really, really happy with my eyes. Oh, and this highlight is so pretty. Comment below guys what you thought of this look. Do you like it? Do you not? What products again do you like from Revolution? Comment below. Well, thanks for watching today guys. I hope you liked that video. I hope you liked the linked videos to this one. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, it is just below. And I hope you guys have a great day.